Hi everybody, it's Lynn from LynzCraftzDesignz. This is going to be one that I've been asked to do for a while. It's a simple Mokume Gane slab that we're going to just make a pendant and maybe a couple of earrings with. This is the Cernit turquoise. You believe that? This is the Cernit translucent. This is the Primo. Totally not the one I was trying to grab. This is the Primo bronze, and this is the Primo gold. Just a little bit that I got left. I'm gonna get the Primo granite, not granite. Graphite. Oh my goodness. Let me start all over. Okay, now, seriously. This is the Primo Graphite. It's the Graphite Pearl. We're just going to use all of that gold. Maybe all that copper. Not copper. Bronze. And then the Graphite Pearl. Let's just go like half a bar. Okay. I'm going to put these back in the drawer just because they're... I'm going to roll these out. Let's start with all on the thickest setting. Okay. Okay. That one, and then this one. I'm going to put these on my thickest setting and I'll be right back. Okay. Now, I'm going to start with the black. Now, I did roll this down to a 3. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to put the Cernit translucent. I'm going to roll this down to a 6. Okay. And then I'm going to put the copper. Okay. Just roll those down a little bit just to get them to stick together. Okay, now I'm going to match up the cut edges. And again, just roll it down a little bit. And then I'm going to do it again. Okay? Now, when you're doing a Mokume Gane, the most important thing is the contrast. The contrast between the colors that you choose is what's going to make the pattern apparent. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it in half one more time. Okay, now can you see what I mean? You want that contrast to be really strong. Now, the Cernit translucent won't be as strong a contrast when it's baked. I'm going to cut this in half one more time. Yep. Okay, now you can see the black starting to come through that bronze there. I mean, I believe that's the gold. We have the gold next to the copper. The bronze. I'm going to keep calling it copper because to me that ought to be copper. Okay. Now, you can trim up the edges and if you want to do that. I don't ever do that. But we're gonna incise some lines. Let's see here. This is just my metal knitting needle. Okay. I'm going to take the bottom, the top edge of this cutter. Okay. And you can take the top edge of your clay blade. Now, don't necessarily try to cut all the way through, or ow. Okay. Just keep it simple, whatever you're going to try to do. You can run your ripple blade one of these that can make some really interesting effects. All kinds of things. Okay, until I can lift it off the block, the tile. Sorry y'all, my camera is literally giving me fits. Ooh, got that a little thin on one side. Okay, and I'm going to run it through this direction. Call me a liar because I didn't turn my pasta machine back. So this is actually run through on a 7. Alright. Alright. Now I'm just going to take a bit of this. Alright. Right down there, that did start to collapse on me a bit. So I'm just going to cut that. Really? I should have turned the air conditioner on first. Okay. Now, this is just, well, like a 1/2 inch. Yeah. The 1/2 inch cutter out of my set of circle cutters. And I'm going to turn it around 3 or 4 times before I decide. I'm going to attempt alright, now as you can see, it did collapse it a little bit, but it still left it nice and puffy. Okay, so I'm going to bake this. Although I'd really like to Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to bake this. 275. I'm going to just do it for 30 minutes. Now, I took that 7, rolled out the scrap on a 3, and layered them on top of each other. Okay. Right, here they are. These turned out really sweet. Here's the pendant. Oh, I love it. Now, admittedly, I don't do Mokume Gane very often. Here's the beads. There you go. I hope y'all really like this. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video. Bye for now.